In this video, I'll show you how to transfer bonus amount to main account in Mostbet. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. Before we continue, I'd advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. So to do that, go over here and then you see your bonus amount is going to be showing under your bonuses. So the only way to transfer your bonus amount to main account in Mostbet is for you to bet for 5 times in accumulator bet. So to get an accumulator bet, you have to come over to bet, for instance, come over to live games, and then you accumulate bets. So once you accumulated bets, you can come over here and then go ahead and bet. Now you have to bet like this 5 times. When you bet like that 5 times, the money in your bonus account is going to be transferred to your main account. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.